Using the discarded part of the cauliflower, let's make a curry. And the ingredients are the discarded part of the cauliflower, which are the stems of the cauliflower. Please take them and wash them and cut them. And next is 1 tomato, 1 potato, 1 sweet potato, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, half teaspoon of cumin seed, and 1 dry red chili soaked in water, which I'll make a paste later after soaking some time. 1 green chili and 1/4 cup of chopped onion for tempering. 2 tablespoons of fried vadi. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. 1 tablespoon mustard oil. 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Now wash and cut all the vegetables and make a fine paste of the mustard seeds, cumin seeds, dry red chili and the garlic cloves all together and make a paste. In a pan, take some water, let it boil. After it boils, put the hard vegetables which takes more time to cook, like potato and sweet potatoes. And to it also add turmeric and required salt. Then cover it up till it gets half cooked. Let it simmer for some time so that it will be half cooked. Stir in between, and after some time open the covering and check it. When it is almost half cooked, you can put the other soft vegetables like the cauliflower stacks. Then you can add the tomatoes and the masala paste. Then stir it up. Check the salt, and you can add salt here also if you need more. Then cover it up and cook for some more time. After being cooked for some time, you can check whether it is done or not. It seems it's completely done and cooked properly. Now we'll have to put the tempering on it, which is the tadka. For that, let's put another pan and take some oil. Mustard oil would be good, which gives the authentic flavor to the dish. And this is the authentic odia dish, which is also called besara. I always use cold press mustard oil, but you can use any other oil if you don't have it. So let's take about 1 to 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Then when it heats up, we can add the tempering mustard seeds and cumin seeds. And dry red chilies. I was not having cumin seeds actually, so I just used mustard seeds. You can use cumin seeds if you have, or panchapuran is actually the authentic way, but I was not having it. Anyways, only the mustard seeds also gives the required flavor. Then after it gets roasted, add the chopped onion and the chopped green chilies. Then stir fry for some time till it gets translucent. So after it is done, put the tempering into the curry. Then you can wash all the flavors from the tadka pan and put it again in the curry. Then stir the curry, mix it well and cover it. So that the flavor will mix up well. Then and also put the fried buddy at this time because the cooking is almost done. And your delicious besara is ready. And this is how we ate with rice and papad and dahi that day.